Hello, welcome to Dovin Headfirst. My name is Lucy, and in this video I'll show you how to make a kid's bubble skirt with an elastic waistband. Fold it into four, and it's 23 by 23. So this is 23 by 23 over here. So what I'm gonna do is I've already done it. I don't know whether you can see it. It's just put the chalk over here and go all the way around and draw a circle, which I have done. Then I'm gonna cut alongside that circle. I'm going to put an elastic band, so this place, I don't really care how big or how small it is. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna try and draw, hold on. This is 3, I think let me go with 3, all the way. Small. I'm gonna add a little bit because an elastic band is gonna go here. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is do a tacking all the way around. This one over here is, the length is 18. And I'm gonna make the bubbles, the underskirt shorter. So the length of this is about 16. Actually it's more, so I need to cut it so that it's shorter. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna make it about, I'm gonna cut it. So we have 18. I think I'm gonna make it like 2 inches shorter, make it 16. So line is there. Okay, so it's gonna be 16. So what you do with the main fabric, I'm gonna gather it all the way around, which is a tall order considering it's really long. I'm taking my kids swimming, so I'm gonna do the gathers, the stitch. Then as I'm waiting for them to swim, I'm gonna do that. And then because that's the skirt, I'm gonna join that side and that side, and then I'm gonna ensure that the gathers is the same circumference as this, so that it goes all the way around. So as you can see, the fabric is already gathered over there. So what I'm going to do is just take the underskirt or the lining, sew it with the right side facing the right side, and then when I turn it around, it will look like that. So that's already sewn. Then turn it around, a bit confusing over there. There we go. And then we will have the bottom looking like that, and then on the waist I'm gonna add a waistband where I will put the elastic. So with the waistband, I'm gonna sew it on the inside, as you can see, on the inner side of the fabric all the way around. And then I'll turn it around and top stitch it on the outer side of the fabric. Remember, the right side of the fabric. From the inner side, and as you can see, that's how it looks like. Then I will fold it and then I should have pressed it. I think the best way to do it is to press it so that you have a guide. But because this will be elasticated, it does not necessarily matter. But if it's fabric that will not be elasticated, pressing it will help. So I've gone ahead and done that like that, and ensure that you leave a space for the waistband, for the elastic waistband. So I did that, and I'm just looking for it right there, and voila, I found it. So I'm just gonna use safety pin to just push it in all the way around. So the bubble skirt is done, as you can see, and there we go, a model showing off a skirt that's done. Thank you ever so much for watching. If you've stayed this long, kindly consider subscribing and tune in for more tutorials. I have a lot of fun videos lined up that will be dropping every week. Thank you ever so much, and God bless. Bye bye.